Hello, welcome people to another session of Maths I Can Do with teacher Kevin. Today, you are going to be watching a video conferencing lesson on the topic of answering a series of multiple choice questions set by a renowned school. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the lesson.
How many sixes? So you change it to 6 first lah. Okay, can? So 4 and 2/3 change to 6 is what? The 2/3 change to 6 is what? This one times 2 to change to 6, right? Because of that, the top absolute times 2 is like 4 and 4 out of 6. Yes, no? Since you want sixes. Don't cheat us. Then the next step is what? Use the 4 times 6, right? Yes? The step 1. Then step 2 is add. Then you know how many? 4 times 6 is 24 plus add 4 here. So there should be 28 sixths. So the answer is 4. Okay? Jingyi, are you okay? Jingyi?
Yeah.
Okay, huh? You understand what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Okay, since you're all so clever, I just want to test whether you understand what I'm talking about. How many T-E-N-T-H? How many tenths are there in 4 and 3 feet?
5 times 2, then 3
Okay.
times 2,
Yeah, then it's equal to what?
then 4, 6 over 10.
Oh, then what's the next step?
4 times 10?
Yeah, it is
40.
40, and then what's the next step? 40, then the next step is what? Take the 40 plus what?
40 plus 6.
40 plus 6 is what?
46.
So there are 46 tenths. Yeah, no. Okay, again, give you another one, right? Okay, how many 6? S-I-X-T-H, back to square one, okay? How many 6 are there in 5 and 2/3? 6. Okay, go. First step, what must do?
3 times 2, 2 times 2.
3 times 2, 2 times 2, so this is equal to what?
3 times 2 is equal to 5 whole, then
5 and?
5 or 6.
So what's the next step?
5 times 6,
Which is?
which is 30, and then 30 plus
30, then?
4. 30 plus 4,
Plus 4, so? Total?
34.
34, 6. Okay now? Yeah?
Is first times, then times again, then plus.
Yeah, if you want to convert lah, if you know need convert, okay. How many 11? E-L-E-V-E-N-T-H. Okay, 11, because like that. Are there in like 11 out of 211? Come on. How many 11s are there in 11 out of 211?
That's really 11.
Yeah, use calculator. Use calculator, lor.
11 times 11,
11 times 11 is?
which is 121, and 121 plus 2.
121 plus?
Plus 2 equals 123.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, lor. Okay, first you use this time, which is 121, and then 121 plus 2. So 1, 2, 3, oh. Okay, okay. All right, so yeah, which one is not the same as 6 over 100? 6 over 100. You can make it to decimal, you jump. Okay? This one jump 1, jump 2, and then the line here. So you put a 0 in front. So is this the same? Is number 1 the same? Is number 1 the same?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you jump 1, jump 2 here, jump 1, jump 2 is 0.06. So the next one then. The next one. Yeah, so 6 or 100. So 6 divided by 2, then divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is what?
6 divided by 2 is 3.
3 out of over
3 over 50.
50. So is number 2 the same?
Yes.
Yes, right. Okay. Julia, so I'm looking for not the same, okay? All right. You know what 6% is like getting 6 marks out of how many marks?
100.
100, right? Is it the same? When you got 6% for your exam, means you scored 6 out of 100, no, Julia? Understand? So is it the same? Is it the same?
Yes.
Then whose is not the same? Left this guy, okay?
It's
No need
10.
to bother about this, okay? This is wrong, okay? Yeah? Okay, next one. Okay. Which fraction is closest to half? Okay? You must not be far from half, okay? So half is like here, okay? You see, 5 should divide by 6. Like 5 divided by 7. 5 out of 9 and 5 out of 11. Who's the smaller piece?
511.
511, right? So do you think that where should 511 be? Should it be here? Or should it be here? Cannot be, right? 511 is which one? Which one? Should position A or B?
A.
Yes, A, right? Because it must be smaller. Yeah, so 5, like 7 is here, 5, 9 is here, because these are big giant pieces. So in that case, who is closest to 5? Half is 5 out of 10. Yes.
Yeah, so 511 is closest to
Yeah,
5.
5 is the closest. Do you
to
understand,
half.
Julian? So yeah, so 511, because half is like 5 out of 10. Yeah, so this guy is 5 divided by 11, which is like quite close, right? You 5 divided by 6 is so gigantic piece. You know what I mean? This is like very little piece, just next to the 10. You understand what I'm saying? Huh? Cut your pizza, okay? Yeah, okay, next. So you understand what the answer is for? Yeah, okay? Yeah. Okay, move on. The table shows the number of books sold in 4 different bookstores in a week. A sold 120, B sold 92, C sold 100, D sold 108. Oh, okay. What is the average number sold in the 4 bookstore? You know what's average? What must you do? Average means you must add all these numbers together and then divide by 4 bookstore. So the total books sold divide by total number of stores, okay? Total, okay? Stores. So what to do? Do they help me? 92 plus 108, what do you get? 92 plus 108. 92 add
200.
200, yes, not. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 add to the 90 is 100. 100 plus the other 100. So 200. 200 here will be 300, right? Then 420, right? Yeah, so 420. Yeah, 420 divided by 4. What's the answer? 1. Right? Then 2 cannot divide, is 0. Left with 20. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So the answer here. Average number of books. Do you understand? Okay, moving on. Can? See? Mrs. Lee bought 4 kg of chocolate. She used 1/3 of it to make milkshake. How much she left? If she used 1/3, she must have left how much? Left 2/3, right? Because one is made of 1/3 and 2/3. Just now, you use 1/3, then you must left 2/3. 2/3 of what? Of means times 4/5. Do you understand? How to do? 2/5 or 4/5 is what? 8 out of 15. Because 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 5 is 15. Yeah? Okay? If I ask you how much you use, anybody can let me know how much you use? Then what's the answer? It's not here, but I'm just asked how much you use. Can anybody give me the answer? Do you understand? Because she used 1/3 of 4 out of 5. She used 4 over 15. Can you see not? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, move on. All right, then. The figure shows the solid that is formed using 1 cm cube. What is the volume of solid? Okay, how many? Can you see who is hidden? How many cubes are there? Can anyone see how many cubes are there? How many? 10. How do you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So behind the green one, imagine this is the green one. If I remove everything in front of behind, will be 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and one more behind. You see? This is like the 1, 2, 1, 2. The 3 is hidden already. Okay? The 3 is like hidden. Then the 4 is also hidden. The 5 is hidden. Yeah. The 6 is shown here. You see? Then how about the second one? The second one is now 7, 8, 9. Can you see? The orange one is like 1. The orange one is like this. 1. And then you have 8 and 9. Can you see? I'm just for those people who cannot see. Agree or not, Julia? Can you see? 8, 9, 10. Can you see? So here is the 7th, 8, and 9. And then you have the final box in front, which is 10. Can you see, people? So you have 10 boxes in all. One more in front, just on top of the 7. I mean, just in front of the 7. So there are 10. So the answer is 10 cm cube. Get it, people? Yeah? Can you see? Some of them are hidden. You have to like use your imagination. Okay? In figure, which one of the following statement is true? Okay, do you know that these are called vertically opposite?
Yeah, vertically.
Yes.
Yeah, opposite angle.
Yes. Must be equal to this guy. This is called vertically opposite. Yeah, so I'm looking for vertically opposite. So what did they say? Which one is true? I want the what? X, O, Y. Got X, O, Y? There, this one. Can you see? They are vertically, vertically, OPPOSITE. Wow, such a long spelling. Get it? Julia, understand? Do you know why the answer is number 2? Do you understand why the answer is number 2? It says from X here, X to O to Y, that means referring to that purple angle there. Yes, is equal to, if you go from W to O and to Z or Z, whatever, that is the same angle we're talking about. Get it? Yeah? All right. Next one. The go-kart company charges the following rates for karting. Wow, you know what's a go-kart? I just want to show you what's a go-kart. You know what's a go-kart?
Yeah.
Okay. The go-kart company charges the following rate for go-karting. First 15 minutes, wow, $30 a wow, X wow. Yeah, right? For every 5 minutes, $8. Samuel wanted a cut for 35 minutes. How much he paid? So the first 15 minutes, he will pay $30. Yes or not? Yes? How many more minutes left? 35 minus 15, how many more? 35 minutes?
35.
Minus 15 minutes, right? Use up already. How much more he need to run? 20 minutes, right? Yes or not, girls?
Yeah.
So this 20 minutes he will be paying at how much? How much every 5 minutes, Every 5 minutes, He paid $8. So 20 minutes divided by 5 in terms of 5 minutes. How many sets of 5 minutes? Yeah, it's 4 sets of 5 minutes. You know? That means 4 sets of $8. Do you understand? Because after that they charge in this 20 minutes, you divide by 5, you get 4 sets of 5 minutes. You know? 4 sets of 5 minutes, and each set of 5 minutes you pay $8. So means times what? What times what? So it's 4 sets times $8. Do you understand? Do you understand why I said 4 times $8?
Yeah.
Yeah? So it's how much? That means plus how much? 4 times 8 is 32, right? So total how much pay? 62. Do you understand? Yeah? If you don't understand, maybe I do it this way for you. Like the first 15 minutes, again, I recap for those who don't understand all this multiplication. Never mind, then you do a bit longer. You write the first 15 minutes, you pay $30. Then the 20 minutes is next 5 minutes, right? Yeah? Every 5 minutes you pay at $8. You know. Then after that 25 minutes, for those who don't know, at 5 minutes, yeah, you pay $8. Then what is it? 30 minutes, you pay $8. Yes? We cannot stop because you want to have 35 minutes. So 35 minutes, you pay $8. Maybe this one easy to understand. Then 30 plus 8 times 4. Can you see now? Can you see? 4 sets of $8. Can you see? 8 times 4, 32 plus 30. That's why it's 60. Yes? This one a bit people might not know how to understand, but this one is easier to understand when you write in 5 minutes blocks of 5 minutes. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yeah? So up to you lah. Huh? Do whatever you understand. Jing, you understand? Is the
Yes.
first one easier to understand? This one easier to understand, or the green color one?
First one.
First one. Wow. How about Julia? Huh? The green one, right? Julia would rather write the green one. I'd rather die. First one, I cannot think. Yeah? So do whatever you think is suitable. Yeah, can. Yeah, you can write out like that. It costs you a little bit of time, but better than make mistake. You know? All right. Wow. So Sophia's sister, Miss Julia, here says she got 19 out of 20 for a class test. She nearly scored full
Wow.
mark. She just minus
I
1 mark
salute-
wrongly.
I
Is it
salute
true,
her.
Miss Julia? Tell Jingyi, tell Jingyi.
I got 19 over 20.
For what?
Math
Why lose 1 mark?
minus
Minus?
from me.
Minus?
She minus wrongly.
Minus wrongly, lose 1 mark. Apa
Oh, you're
dia?
so smart.
You hear that?
I only got out of 20, I think I'll get 4 only.
Do you want to give Julia a thumbs up?
Yes, of course.
Show on the
I will
screen.
not give her a thumbs up, I'll give her a heart shape.
Oh, you should give you a heart shape. She give her a thumbs up. Okay, never mind. Shane has a piece of rectangular paper and he folded along the dotted line. Okay, can? Hey, look. Okay, now this corner here is 90 degrees, right? Because rectangle is 90 degrees, right? Corner at the corner. It's folded into here. Can you see now, people? If you unfold it, this red color corner would have gone back here. Yes or no? Yes? Yes or no? Okay? If this is 58, one triangle got how many degrees? Do you know? One triangle got 180, right? Yeah? So who can tell me what is this triangle? Can you see now? So what is it? Do you know how to find? Because one triangle are 180 right, degrees, right? Do you know what I'm saying? The pink color triangle is 180, right? So we have 180 minus 90 minus 58 will give you the green color one, which is 32. So if 32, they want to find angle Y. Y is here. So when I reopen this, I open this back, surely this one also must be green color, right? I mean, the same size as the green color, right? That means this one, people. If I open it back, Julia, take a look, if I open it back, this green will be also same, right? That's why they follow. That means this also must be 32, right? Yes, no? Do you understand? Yeah? So they're asking you why here. You know what's the why here? The y is this angle here. If I redraw for you, the y is here. The y is like that. Yeah. What do you have? You have 32 plus 32 here. Yes, no? Which is 64. Do you know why? These two green ones here occupy gigantic one, gigantic one, big one. Is 32 plus 32, right? It's actually 64 already. Do you understand? Xin, you understand why?
Yes.
You know why 64? 64 because it is equal to 32 plus 32. Yes? So what is why? Why very easy, right? Because angle in a straight line, your teacher taught you, right? What is angles in a straight line? They must add up to, like your protractor, they must add up to what? 100.
180.
Yes, 180, right? So y would be equal to what? Come on, tell me. Must be
180 minus 64.
Yeah, 180 minus 64. And what would that be?
416.
Only one answer with 6. I say I lazy to do. There's only one answer with 6. Do that, can you see? Of course, I know it's 116 lah. Can you see how? Do that? But there's only one answer with 6. If I don't want to continue, I will finish mark number 1. Sure, correct. Get it? But CD, please continue lah. Okay, end of booklet A. Very good.
Thanks for joining us. Please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And for more great tips like this, make sure to watch Maths I Can Do.